The dew point was
northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Wednesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 56, effective until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday.
In the lower 40s.
This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, Caddo, DeSoto, Sabine, and Webster, and the following counties in Texas: Cass, Harrison, Marion, and Panola.
In the lower 50s.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
80 degrees.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
In 1950.
Repeating, Tornado Watch number 56 has been issued until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, Caddo, DeSoto, Sabine, and Webster, and the following counties in Texas: Cass, Harrison, Marion, and Panola.
Sunset tonight is at 7:43 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is